Hey, what's up, YouTube? Um, well, I'm back again, and I was doing this binder video, and well, my mom ordered me something from Amazon, and guess what it is? 2017 Panini Donruss baseball. I haven't opened any of this yet, so let's open it up. Either an autograph or a relic card in every box. Let's open this up. Yes, I am doing it on my floor right now. So, and I'm watching the Cubs. Nice slice. Hopefully this works. My feet are kind of like that right now, so. 7 packs. Alright. Hopefully I don't get a cramp in my knees. And we'll be good. Oh, there goes a pack. I'm gonna see if a pack's big or not. Last time I opened one of these, I think I got an autograph. So that's the fat pack. They're all fat. So let's open this up. Move back a little bit. That's what the pack design looks like. Schwarber without the logos. Because we don't have the right for logos in baseball. It's got Yasmani Tomas, Clayton Kershaw, Jake Arrieta, Yoenis Cespedes, Ryan Sandberg. I can't really see that. One cell, some kind of record card. Number 500. That's cool. Nice card for the Cubs collection. Right there, guys. Boom. It's a Cubs box. A nice Cubs, insert. Cano, Cole Hamos, and Randall Grichuk. So that's cool. So we got Duvall, Trout, Bradley Jr., Chris Carter. Got Carter here. Oh, nice. Piazza. 349. That's card. With my own eyes, that looks really cool. The back's all green, so that's really cool. Dozier. Boggs. Is that a short print, guys? And Brooks Robinson. Alright. Wade Boggs. I'm gonna try to do something up here. Not used to doing a box break like this. You got Milky Cabrera, Galvis, I believe. Yep, Freddie Galvis. Charlie Blackmon is on fire. Jake Lamb. Johnny Bench, alright. I couldn't see the back there. With Bautista. Joe Morgan. And Aaron Sanchez. That's cool. Justin Turner, Hanley Ramirez, Syndergaard, Cano, Josh Bell, rated rookie, Pedro Martinez, Elvis Andrews, and Evan Lorgana. There's the back of those cards. 3 packs left. Damn, my knees are hurting. Morales. Pedroia. Villar. Frazier. Diamond Kings of... That's cool. Will Myers. Evan Lorgana. Andrew McCutchen. And, Nelson Cruz. Wait, is this the fat pack? Yeah, that's the fat pack. Dozier. Sale. Wait, that is Sale, yeah, that is Sale. Oh, my arms. Ow. Marte. LeMahieu. Nice card of Josh Bell. 2 inserts of him. The rookies. Nice card in there. Not numbered. Ozzie Smith. Josh Donaldson. He's a card collector. Back-to-back card collector. Alright, see what we get here, guys. Fat pack is open. Alright, I'm gonna try to, actually, I'm just gonna do it like this. Franco. I got Pujols. Got Gonzalez. It's a relic, I feel it. Get another Franco. Trevor Story. Zach Greinke. Corey Seager. Brian Ellington. Oh, that's cool. Nice relic card of Brian Ellington right here. But not huge. I'll take it though. Nice Marlins. Easy rookie. Diamond collection. I don't know, guys, but I don't know if he's a rookie, but that's a nice. I like the diamond shaped relic right there. It's really cool. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more, and I'm out. And I will see you guys next time. Best card in the box. I'm gonna call it the Ryan Sandberg. Alright, and wait for part 2 of these.